Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to create a producer for the Kafka application. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. Bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn Kafka? Well, I have good news for all who want to understand the fundamentals of Kafka. Check out the Udemy course link in description and you can access all Kafka training videos in just one click. Open Kafka project in Eclipse IDE. Let's write the producer code. Add @service annotation on the My Kafka Producer class and import it. Add a Kafka template with string type. Add a send message to topic method and pass a string message to it. Call the send method of Kafka template. Pass the topic as my topic and pass the message. So we have successfully created a producer for the Kafka application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.